Hi, hi everybody. Today I'm going to share with you about these lucky draw systems. All right. This lucky draw system is basically is totally zero wiring, zero hardware. There is nothing you need to put at the audience side. All right. So it's super easy to use. All right. So what you need to do is you just need to prepare one laptop, okay, or your computers. Then that laptops you connect to the internet, and you just need to open up the link that we give it to you. So there is a link for you to show it to the audience, to the public, and there is also a link for the admins for you to manage most of the things and to conduct the draw. So as you can see here, there's only two links here, the what we call the TV link and also the admin link. All right. So this TV link you just open in the any laptop or computers, and you connect to your projectors, and you can press F11s, all right, to go for the full screen. All right, it's for Chrome. So this one is using Chrome. So we just press F11, then it will go to the full screen. That's all. And make sure that you turn on the sound, your laptop sound, all right, here as per normals. All right, the sound, okay. Then make sure that you do the test to draw, uh, to make sure all the sounds is will come out. All right. Now, so that's all. So this is the link for the admin side. So sorry for the TV. And now I'm going to show it to you the link for the admin. So this is where you prepare everything before the draw. All right. So as you can see here, this is the titles of the events. All right. Okay. You can change to anything. For example, so I just change to dinner and dance. You just click submit, and you can see it's immediately changed. You can change the font size. You can change the font type. All right. And then this is the background image. All right. You can upload the file as well. You can upload your background image. You can just choose your own background image. All right. And the rest of the things you can change the colors. For example, so I want to change the title colors to, yes, say yellows. All right. That's it. All right. So you can change to any color that you like. All right. Okay. And the price colors, the price font size, the price font types, everything you can change it here. All right. So we leave it to your choice. All right. So the background you can change. You just upload, choose the file and upload your own background image. All right. So this is the background image. All right. Now, so that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is you need to upload the participants' contacts. All right, so you can put the name with the ID, or the name with the phone numbers, or just the name. It's up to you. All right. So, for examples, you just need to copy and paste. All right. For examples, you just highlight all the names here from your Excel. These are all the names, and then for examples you need to put in the ID, the last four digit of IC, last four digit of the phone numbers, anything you want. All right, you just copy and paste side by side, and you just click submit. That's all. All right, so this is the all the participants that will participate in this lucky draw. All right. Now, so you can always delete all the data and redo again if you want to. All right, it will empty again. All right, so I just copy and paste again. It's just examples. All right, so submit, and that's all. All right, that's simple. So you prepare all the information above, and then the participants, and the next thing is the price. All right, so the price, you just key in the price here. For examples, put the price name, then you can choose the image of the files. You choose the image. Suppose here I choose this file, right? And then you click submit. That's all. You can have the price titles and the price image here. I put another price. It's just examples. That's all. So now make sure that your image is in PNG format. Okay. So where it's a transparent format. All right. So if your image is not transparent, you'll be quite ugly. All right. Make sure that your image is in the PNG transparent format like this. Okay. Let me add another one. It's just examples. Then you click submit. That's all. So you have three prize. You have the context number. You have all the participants, and everything is ready to go. So you can open this page on the big TV, and now to conduct the draw. All right. So you open this admin page from another device, another laptops or PC or tablet or even your own phones. All right. And you just need to select the draw right now. The first draw, for examples, you're going to select the buds. All right, so this is the first draw, and you just need to click draw here. So once you click draw, all right, there will be a animation here. It will show. So for example, so I'm going to select these buds. Then I click submit first, and it will show the price. All right, you can select tablet, submit, and they will show the price. So depends on which price you want to draw right now. You can always change the draw. For example, now I'm going to select Huawei Buds. I click submit, and it will come up with the price here. And I just click draw. Now, as you can see here, it will show the name and the ID or the IC or the phone numbers and things. All right, that's all. All right, it will display the winner here. Once you're done, you select the second price. For example, click submit. It will change, and you click draw again. And so on and so forth. I select the third price, submit, it will change, and I click draw. That's all. Alright, so all the winners will be appear here, and this system is smart enough that it will not pick the same persons to win twice. Alright. Now if you want to delete all the winners and redo again, you just click this button, delete all winners, and that's it. You can redo again. Alright. Now we also have the function, we call it the show win numbers. You know, sometimes you just need to give somebody a prize, of course, all right, but you just want to make it look like it's a lucky draw still. For examples, all right, okay, I want to this Emma Harris to win this prize. That's confirmed. So I just copy this ID, the numbers, all right, the numbers here, paste it here and submit. Done. That's all. So this is a show win numbers, all right. So I'm going to select, for example, Huawei Buds again, submit. Okay, ready, draw. Now, as you can see here, Emma Harris will definitely win this prize. You can delete away and click submit, and now it's empty. That means it will be free for all again. Alright, you can draw the same prize as many times as possible. For example, the Huawei Buds, I'm going to draw again one more time. And so on and so forth. All right. So once you're done, you can export out all the data, and you can export out all the winners to Excel. That's simple. You just click export, done. You just click export, done. All right. That's all. All right. So this is the live lucky draw system. So you contact us, we will set up for you the account, and we will give you all the login and everything. Then you can prepare yourself. All right. Thank you very much.